On your Android phone, tap Settings. Tap Network and Internet or Connections or WLAN. Once you've found the Wi-Fi settings menu, click Tap to share password. Take a screenshot, crop the QR code area and save it. Open the Play Store app. Search QR and barcode scanner. Then tap QR and barcode scanner and install this app. Tap Open and allow QR and barcode scanner to take pictures and record video. At the top left, tap More. Tap Scan Image. Tap your phone gallery or file and select the saved QR image you have previously saved. Then, you can see your connected Wi-Fi password. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest video update. Thank you for watching this video.